Dividend stocks with a high return on equity are a perfect addition to your portfolio. These are dividend stocks that have a positive return on equity. Coterra Energy. Following the surprise OPEC Plus production cuts, the company will likely see a revenue bump. Camping World. The company is a leader in RV sales and services and has recently acquired multiple similar companies. Gaming and Leisure. The company has reported record earnings and made lease agreements with other gaming entertainment companies. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 dividend stocks to buy that have a high return on equity. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Dividend stocks are a very beneficial foundation for an investment portfolio. First, they offer a return that is not directly tied to a company's share price, which can help investors through downturns in the market. Dividend payments may be taxed at a more favorable rate. Finally, investors can take advantage of compound interest by reinvesting dividend payments. While dividends are significant for long-term investors, they can also be deceiving. By that, I mean that companies can create a false sense of security by supplying an unsustainable dividend to attract investors. Therefore, comparing companies within the same sector is best to determine if their dividend is unusually high. Another metric to pay attention to is a company's return on equity, which gives investors a good picture of its strength, aside from its dividend payout rate. Return on equity equals net income/shareholders' equity. On average, in 2022, the company's returns on equity within the S&P 500 were just above 21%. Number 1. Coterra. Coterra is an oil and gas exploration and production company based in Houston, Texas, in the Anadarko Basin, Marcellus Shale, and Permian Basin. Coterra currently has a quarterly dividend of 57 cents per share, and the company has a 33% return on equity. The company has plans to raise its dividend in the future, and they also authorized a new share repurchase program totaling $2 billion that came into effect in February and doesn't have a declared expiration date. Early this month, OPEC Plus announced oil production cuts of more than 1 million barrels of crude oil daily. This was done as a way to increase the price of oil. Oil futures surged at this news, including stocks such as Coterra. Number 2. Camping World. Camping World is a retailer of recreational vehicles, RVs, and related products and services that operate under the Camping World and Good Sam brands. Camping World has a quarterly dividend of 63 cents per share. It has a return on equity of 50%. The company hasn't been performing exceptionally well, with overall revenue remaining unchanged and net income dropping by half compared in 2022 compared with full-year earnings from 2021. Many of the company's recent financial issues can be attributed to a drop in demand for RVs and the current span of company acquisitions of RV dealerships from Michigan, California, Utah, and Alabama. Number 3. Gaming and Leisure. Gaming and Leisure is a real estate investment trust that owns and finances triple net lease agreements for gaming operations. Gaming and Leisure has a return on equity of 18% and a quarterly dividend of 72 cents. The company has seen considerable growth from a net income standpoint, with a 67% increase compared to fourth quarter 2021. The unique advantage of REITs is that the law requires 90% of their taxable income to be distributed in the form of dividends to shareholders. This is a significant reason why REITs have such favorable dividend yields. Gaining Listware has also, in recent months, acquired multiple real estate properties from Bally's Corp., and also entered into a lease agreement with PNN Entertainment for 7 of its current properties. Thus, it is among the top dividend stocks to buy. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.